says learning cannot be a celebration. Beyond mere textbooks, we observe the development of confidence through a vital sense of community. Here, expert guides make the English language accessible and practical for learners of every generation.
Okay, so are you ready, coaching groups?
Yes, sir.
Coaching group, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And school group, you are also ready?
Yes, sir.
So who will start first? So who will start first? Okay. So now start.
School is better than coaching. Tuitions are personal. Every doubts students can clear their every doubts.
It could provide knowledge and lifestyle.
If school, why do topper to join the coaching? If school is best, why do so join the coaching?
School better, then why do you join the coaching?
To complete some syllabus that is not able to complete in our school.
एक मिनट सर.
Why do you go for school?
What?
Why do you go for school?
Uh, uh,
Cause of education.
So school is better than coaching?
yes.
Of course, you are defeated.
Speak. What do you say?
School is better than coaching because tuition coaching is starting in 2 hours, but school is starting for 6 hours.
In
Okay, sir.
But in tuition, we can clear our doubts
Yes.
because there is very many students. Many students have many doubts. How can they clear their doubts?
in school te- teacher do clear the doubt.
They don't clear many doubts because many students have many doubts. One or two students, but not of all.
But all student have not doubt. Then some student, 2-3 student have doubt. Then teacher are solve the doubt.
Okay, you says all students having same doubt. So the teacher solve doubt on the board. Simple.
But what they do when different students have different doubt?
So it clears on the board.
It is not possible.
It's possible.
There are many students in the class.
How can you say that? Because the period time is almost 45 minutes. Sir, 45 minutes.
45 minutes, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay.
So maximum 30 doubts. Sir on the board. So there are. So sir उसमें ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा. You will not take the extra time to clear the doubt. Simple.
I think they takes minimum 40 to 45 minutes to clear many people's doubt, many students' doubt.
No, it's cleared in half hours.
Half hours,
Yes.
and you have only 15 minutes to teach the
45.
student.
Yeah.
Okay, what what will they teach in 15 minutes?
So they cleared the doubt today's class is that.
It is not necessary. It is not only to clear the doubt. He need to complete their syllabus.
So doubt is a type of teaching.
That's not from her syllabus or their syllabus.
What?
The doubts are not from their syllabus,
How can you say that?
because many doubts comes in our minds that we
The student clear from the teacher in the recess period and free period. Ask this type of doubt. The student asked in a free period from the teacher in a free time.
uh, which in your school, which period is free?
Yes.
Which period is free?
Recess.
What?
In recess time. Means lunch.
And lunch, when do you eat your lunch?
The recess period is 20 minutes.
20 minutes. And but the teacher also do lunch in the recess period.
Yes.
How
But
many-
but most teachers don't eat lunch.
but he need to break.
Yes.
How do they solve your, and how do they express your doubt and clear your doubt?
It's tricky.
Coaching tuitions can tuition can less students, so doubts are clear doubts are immediately.
So what?
Express is all immediately.
I did not understand.
I did not understand this tuition.
I don't understand. I'm not understanding.
I'm not understanding. Please repeat.
Tuitions can less students, so
There are less students in tuition. So we can understand very easily away and talking. You want to speak? Okay. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Speak this moment.
so students
There are
there are
less than students
less than students
compared to the school. Follow?
to the competition of school.
Okay.
But many students are not going to tuition, and they are a good percentage in your school and in his school, and those students are not read best, then he does come to coaching.
Please explain in short.
Those students are not learn in school in अच्छे तरीके those students do not read properly, then they need for tuition.
So it is clear the tuition is very important.
Not,
Why not? You see,
but all student are read. Some student are not. Most of students are most of student reads properly. Students read properly. Then some student not do not read properly. Then he will go to tuition.
so tuition is necessary for a poor student. It is necessary for poor student.
But
In India, 25 crore students are reading in school.
It is confirmed only 25 crores students are read in schools.
Yes.
Are reading in school.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. But and do you know how many students are present in India?
Yes.
How many?
Uh, Students,
And the total population?
maximum 140 crore in India population.
But only 1 crore student are not read in the tuitions. Many students read in the tuitions. In Gadhwa, many tuitions have many students.
Most of the students are getting tuition. I know. Most of the students, approximately 95% of parents are getting tuition.
Yes.
Repeat.
In Gadhwa, 95% of the student read in the tuitions.
Are getting the tuition.
Uh,
But 100% students are going school, going to school.
I know
In Gadhwa.
always to school, but he always come to tuition because they have to clear their doubts.
But in school, the school teachers do clear the doubts.
फिर करिए तो बच्चा ट्यूशन में क्यों आ रहा है?
But school teachers not doubt clearly, and they are not frankly. But in tuitions, they are frankly teachers, just like Raju sir, and he teach like very good.
First of all, don't go personal, okay? Don't go personal, okay?
When I go, it's example.
But in many schools, there are most of the teachers are frankly, but most of the teachers are strict. So the student having lovely ways, so he is coming tuition. It's true, but the school also gives best education.
Yes, I know school give best education, but all all coaching institute also give best. All coaching institute also give best education, and the school complete syllabus in 1 month, 2 month, in 7 hours, 6 hours, but tuition complete only on 1 hour, and 2 days one chapter.
But most of the tuition, the most of the children are weak in one, two, three subjects. So he is not getting the school's teachers. Sir, he is unable to understand. So he is join the coaching. Like
He joined the coaching.
so he joined the coaching. Like the education world is a institute of English. Okay, so the education world's teachers is best on English. Those students have not getting English on his school, so he's come here.
So it is clear tuition is very important.
But in 1 to 2 subject, not in all subject. Okay, in school, the school teachers read all subjects.
But the school have many students. They have many doubts in different subjects. Like you have doubt in English.
Yes.
They have doubt in science. They have doubt in maths. There are many doubts in the different subjects.
So I asked to my English teacher, he asked to the science teacher, he asked to the math teacher. That's all.
So it is clear. He goes in a tuition. You comes in a tuition. He also goes in a tuition. So it is necessary. Tuition is very best.
for the weak students.
But only weak students. It is not for only weak student. You are the topper of the class. Why are you coming here?
Because I am weak in English, so I will come in the education world institute.
Same problem have some students. All students have same problem.
And there are many students. They have getting extra classes. So he is come to the tuition.
Of course, in this point, tuition is very important.
Yes.
So we have winner.
Coaching provides spoken grammar, literature, easy teaching. But what does provide school?
In school, many activities are doing, as like Independence Day, annual sports, annual
Teach in all subjects.
What I am not understand, please repeat.
But most of the coaching teach for all subjects.
But which time?
And
In 2 hours, all subject we
No.
a teacher teach
no,
in 2 hours.
School teach us 6 hours.
school is only 6 hours and 5.
But coaching teach 2 hours. But in 2 hours they teach so many things in 2 hours. And
Hours,
also-
hours, not the hours.
hours. But
All parents would need strength and depend on the coaching center. Without coaching center, they cannot crack the NEET paper leak and any paper. NEET paper. So,
But most of the students
wait. And it is help us for our exam and many things.
okay, but most of the students
Because in school there are 5 to 6 teachers, and 5 to 6 teachers teach one subject.
There are more than teachers.
But in our subjects, there in my school I can tell 5 to 6 teachers teach him. Okay, but 5 to 6 teachers, one teacher teach you one subject. But in our coaching, a teacher teach you 5 to 6 subject alone.
It's not a debate of teachers. It's a debate of education of the schools and institute.
First of all, you can say this question, so we can give it answer.
What?
When a student take education, they join the coaching center. When we can take education by school, so from school, so why we join the coaching center?
okay, but why do you go to school? Huh?
For getting extra knowledge and study. I am go to school for getting. I go to school for extra knowledge and study.
Then school is best. Why?
No,
Why school is best? You repeat only one sentence.
No, school is not best from tuition. Because school doesn't give we all knowledge about our surrounding. Hello, listen. They complete only our syllabus. They don't give us extra knowledge.
School is not complete the course because school is take the best education.
Hello, Mister. Okay, okay. What give your institute the facilities?
Institute give us so many facilities.
Like
Institute give us water, toilets, and safety, many things.
but institute taken more fee than school.
What's your coaching fee? And what's your school fee and what's your coaching fee?
My school fee almost 1,000.
1,000. And how many? How much money will you give in 1 year in school?
Almost 12 to 13,000, including
But in the
exam fees.
tuition only 5,000.
For means 10,000 for the year. Okay, 5,000 for 6 months and 10,000 for the year. Okay.
But in 5,000 we complete 2 courses. In 5,000 we complete 2 courses, but in school we give 12,000 and not complete 2 courses. Only on book subjective courses we complete.
But tuition is only for study because studies. But school is studies and any activities.
No, you say wrong. Our coaching institute also give play debate just like you and me playing. We play. We go to trip after completed our course, and we do much things we can't do in school.
But in school we are going we in school and many activities are doing in school. School are many activities are we play many activities in school, but in tuition we do not do all activities in tuition.
Here school waste your time. You can do those activities in your home.
So why are you going? Why are you go school? Why are you?
Why do you go to school? Speak.
Why do you go to school?
Yes.
To complete my syllabus.
Then you go and complete the syllabus in school. Then school is best.
No.
So
School
why?
completes only our syllabus. They don't give us our surroundings knowledge.
When you clear 10th from the school, then you take admission in 11th or 12th graduation. Like so you don't do school. You don't read in school from 1 to 10th. So why? So how do you take the admission in 11th 12th? By the coaching.
No,
It's not possible.
Schools give the certificate.
school gives the certificate and syllabus and result.
Certificate is important.
But
When-
knowledge
when
is,
you- when-
but knowledge
when-
is more than important than certificate, graduates like this.
Okay, so when you go for the interview, so the interviewer see your 10th 12th graduation, like all degrees, then your interview will be finished. So without any degrees, the interviewer don't give you job.
But when I have knowledge, so he can also give me
Yes.
he can also give me job. He can't check my
But on this,
certificate,
but on
graduation,
this time,
percentage. But he see my knowledge. In Merchant Navy, they are checked not percentage. He can check only on your knowledge, not check how
But
you are
both
getting
are
percentage.
important.
Wait, please complete my question.
let me complete first.
Let me complete first, okay? But in Merchant Navy, the biggest post in Merchant Navy, he can't see in Merchant Navy in our interview. He can't check our certificate, how we get percentage in 10, in 9th, in 11th. He can't check only on our knowledge.
नहीं चेक करता है, he don't check.
He don't check.
Yeah, कंप्लेंट चेक करता है, तो उसको नाम दो काढू करता है.
You say that not check the. Do you know about government are checked the document 10th and 12th marksheet.
Why are you repeating always repeat certificate? You go to school for getting certificate, not for knowledge.
No, nahi. I am going to tuition because we are take the best education. So I will go tuition. I will go school.
But tuition give you best knowledge from school. You told before it. What tuition is better than school?
No, not school is better. Is sir.
School is a not provide free education, free read. Hello, Mr. Hello, Gaurav.
School give many facilities to go in sports, arts in state level and tournaments.
Free, sir. Yeah, it's free. It's okay. School is a not provide. School is a not provide free education and read. But coaching is provide free education, free books, free read.
Where is it?
Which institute?
The education world. You have to give 3,000 for 6 months and for only 6 months, and then you study any time.
You can study there. You can learn. Okay, for all time.
For all time.
Okay, that is in one mode you apply it. Okay, in one mode, then you can read. Okay, for all time. Okay, in many years, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, this one.
When you pay 3,000 to the education world, sir teach you for many time. In education world, and
of course, if you pay this money, then you will learn. Okay, completely English. That means according to course wise, only pay here, and in the school there is no facility. Okay, you have to pay only month wise.
and in school is not like this facility, and you are asking where is
But only this institute give this sale, means give this offer.
So why all students getting India first rank, India second rank to after study in coaching? Why are you not listening my question?
You see, government school gives in free education.
Also give free education.
Because that's the responsibility of our leaders. our governors.
Government.
The ये बोला ना फिर बोल गवर्नमेंट स्कूल स्टडीज इज इनफ
What?
government school studies is if there is in government school enough studies for you, so why you come into the coaching?
Many government school are best. For example, Navodaya, Netarhat, and you say that why are you come the tuition, but I am not coming the tuition. I am joining the education world for speaking English.
So it's also tuition, and I say why did toppers attend coaching?
Why did toppers occur? Many are not join the tuition. Many students are read ourselves.
But they clear their doubts in the coachings.
Not they suppose that it is math book. मतलब suppose that हम
it is best coaching center because in coaching center you can ask many doubts. In school you cannot ask doubt. If you ask if you ask doubt in school, teacher will punish you. Say where are you in class when I am teaching?
it is very wrong, because teacher are not you what you say that teacher are punished. In school teacher are not punished, but teacher you ask 100 times and you
Only some teacher, not whole teacher.
many teacher are speak.
It's a dialogue. When you ask more than 3 or 4 times, they can beat you. They also can beat you.
Not
I do this.
I know this.
They will not punish you because the Supreme Court having start the order of according to right of the education, the teachers cannot beat the student. Okay.
In your school, this rule is
By the mental and physically. Okay.
In your school, these rules are followed.
Yes.
Yes. Which school do you study?
SCP Memorial.
Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that?
Only the head of the school having rights of the punish you.
That's
Raju sir also beat in the CP Memorial. It is not for any institute. Of course, because he is a teacher.
Teacher do not beat the student, because it is my school. What? Teacher
brother, you don't speak like in BNT. Yes. I am going in school to getting admission. In your right side, in your school. Yes, in your right. Yes.
Sir, which class?
पढ़े नहीं है.
Then why are you?
एडमिशन करा बात सुनिएगा.
Speak in English.
इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं, हिंदी है.
Yes.